Hello my friends, welcome to Trading with KS. Today is Saturday, 7th of May 2022. Today is Saturday. Today very important because there is change of direction in our BURSA stock market, or our KLCI starting to drop. So Saturday now become very important because we're going to talk about strategy. Okay, how we're going to play this in the long term. Remember, right, we talked about strategy early in the year. I prefer the market to drop right now, but market is very high. There's not much window to play, small window of growth only. So we want, I actually prefer the market, not say I want, I prefer the market to drop lower when all the stock, right, becomes cheaper. When the price drop, only we got margin to grow. If the stock is very high, keep on very high, 5-10%, 5% already reach the peak. Not too much to play. So today we want to look at, of course, our strategy. We want to look at US, we want to look at sector, our local sector. We want to look at steel, we want to look at aluminium, all those things. Okay, so before we start, remember, subscribe to the channel, support the channel, subscribe, like, share, and comment. Okay, want to buy me coffee, go to coffee.com, kl-fi.com, trading with KS. Also, CGS-CIMB account, you can try CGS-CIMB account. This one, inside got built-in trading view already, so you don't need to purposely go and subscribe to trading view account. And also, you can trade US, Malaysia, US, Singapore, and the Hong Kong stock. Okay, so check out the introduction first. Disclaimer also. Disclaimer. Be advised that I'm not a professional trader or advisor. I am sharing my trading journey for entertainment purpose only. Any opinions, news, research, analysis, price, or other information contained in this video is my own opinion and does not constitute investment advice. I will not accept liability for any loss or damage, including, without limitation to, any loss of profit, money, asset, or any valuables which may arise directly or indirectly from use of information in this video. Okay, subscribe, like, share, and comment. Let's check out KLCI. Okay, KLCI. Let's look at the 1 week chart. See what 1 week is telling us. You see, right? This is the biggest drop. Biggest drop in 1 week since when? Let me see. When there was such a big drop in a week. Oh, hardly. Oh, hardly. Oh, here. March 2020, during the MCO time, only got 1 week drop more than this. And take note, this is only how many days? 2 days, 2 days only, right, of trading, right, this week. 2 days of trading already dropped like this. So, and weekly RSI also start to drop below 50. Okay, so remember, we talked about this strategy earlier in the year, right? I said price is around 1,006, near 1,006. There's nothing much to play. Even if break through 1,006, also not too big a margin to go up. Okay, because CIMB and UOB and CIMB give 1,622 and 1,635, right? Only Kenanga put 1,007 a bit high. But nonetheless, okay, we want to buy stock in value, right? Of course, we can chase momentum. We can see the chart, right? We can chase momentum stock, but still value stock, we must also try to hold some. It's some kind of what we call it, a safety net. So we don't throw everything to momentum, because momentum stock is highly volatile and high risk. Okay, so this one, once all this drop, right, we see we already mark the area here. Okay, this one. 1567, right? I said if it drop to here, maybe we got chance to buy in, at least got a bigger window, but I prefer it to drop to here. 1532. Why 1532? 1532 is the, okay, it's a support line here. Okay, support resistance line here. Okay, and why 15? Wait, I show you the daily better. You can see clearly. Okay. Why here? Why 1567? Why 1567? 1567 because it's this support resistance line. Okay, this support resistance line. Okay, but this is quite this line is quite steep also means it's quite fast going up. So this even though if it rebound from this line, right? Okay, it's just the window, right? We don't see a big window over here, right? Because this line is really a very steep line, so we prefer it to come down lower. This is a better line to go in. This support line is better. Okay. Also, you see, right? Cross with this line. This last time the double top, okay, the neckline over here. Also another double top here, another neckline over here, right? So this one, okay, will be a very good firm support, okay, for it to rebound. So we prefer to come down to here, okay. So if we rebound from here, right, we got a bigger window to play, right? We got bigger window to play. Let's say, right, if price is around here, okay, 1,580 area, right? If we do rebound up, right, to this bank, okay, the year-end bank target, right, you are only talking about 3% only. It can grow the KLCI, okay. If we drop down to this area, right, we are talking about, okay, 6%. Okay, so we got double the window to play, right? If let's say if this one also cannot hold, it dropped down to 1505 and 1483, which I think is unlikely. Okay, because this year is recovery year, right? It's not disaster year, unless another disaster happen. So if we come down to this area, right? If we come down to this area, we are talking about a margin, a 10%, you know, a 10% gain in a KLCI. So will be a bigger margin, but at least it comes down to here. For me, it's good enough. Come down to here, 1532. So now, time to do what? Time to collect bullet. Okay, RSI also dropped below 50. You see what happened last time? You see RSI dropped below 50 here and here, right? Here and here. Okay, so during this time here, right, RSI dropped below 50. The price come down to here, and it went back up. Okay, RSI dropped below oversold. Sorry, not 50, oversold. Okay, so what the history tells us? Remember, we can see the chart. We can see what? We can see the opportunity, danger, sentiment, and the history. History tells us what? One time oversold. Okay, oversold, so it dropped down to here. So the market rebound 8%. Okay, 8%, or here we put it here, 7%. Okay, another time drop to here. Okay, and you start with divergence. When it has divergence, so probably after this one, both time also divergence happen. Okay, price making lower low, RSI making higher low. So once this one drop below 50, it start to do divergence again. Probably it's a time the price want to rebound. The price want to rebound. Why we think it's going to rebound? Because all the bank redone the fundamental analysis. They think market will close this year higher, 1622, 1635, even 1007. So we want to wait for the rebound. So when it's a rebound, last time show us what happened. Divergence. Okay, price making lower low, RSI making higher low. Okay, it went up. Okay, it went up how many percent? It went up how many percent? 7.8%. 7.8%. Another time it make divergence here, right? Price making lower low, RSI making higher low. Okay, so they start to rebound. So from the lowest low, it rebound up. Okay, it actually rebound until here, right? 9%. Okay, 9%. Okay, it rebound 9.4%. So this time, if we this time come back to here, okay, 1532. Okay, if we start to make divergence, RSI already oversold, start to make divergence, means this one could be the rebound area. Okay, then we are looking at maybe 7%. Okay, 7%. Or even if Kadanga here 1007, we are looking at okay, 11%. So let it drop. Okay, let it drop. Collect bullet. Okay, collect bullet. Let it drop, and probably end of the year, near end of the year. Okay, there will be a big opportunity. I think now slowly. I don't think it will drop straight like this. I think it will like, a few wave maybe 1-2 wave come back down. So it's a time to, because RSI is coming back down. So we want the RSI to be oversold, make divergence, then maybe it's a chance for us to go in. Okay, so now we are watching this area first. It already broke through this area, 1567. We are looking at 1532 or 1543. Okay, if we break through, then we want to look at 1505 and 1483. but unlikely lah, unlikely. Okay, so let's look at global index. Look at aluminium. Aluminium continue to drop. P metal also starting to drop. So aluminium nothing to play, not doing well. Look at technology. Technology Nasdaq. See Nasdaq. Okay, broken through the lowest low. Broken through the low already. 12775, 12975. We say this one come back retest and came back down, right? So looks like Nasdaq is continue dropping. Semiconductor index, US semiconductor index, Philadelphia semiconductor index also, okay, trying to went up above 3036, but didn't manage to hold, come back down. So it's a false break. Look like it's going down also. So no good for the technology stock lah, technology sector in US and probably for Malaysia also. Look at steel. Okay, steel continue to drop. The steel chart continue to drop. The steel index, which this one I use this one the most, continue to drop. But already oversold. Probably there's small rebound, but doesn't seem like a good chance. China steel price is still slightly dropping slightly. It's no more going up. It's slowly making wave one by one. Lower low, lower high, and lower low means starting drop. Look at China steel index. Industry metal index, industry metal index. So also dropping. There's some rebound over here, but the trend is overall is still a downtrend. Maybe a small rebound. Okay, if there is a rebound on the steel, right? If you are caught buying higher, if you are caught holding the stock and losing money, maybe it's a chance to run. Okay, doesn't seem that the steel gonna have a rebound very soon. Look at oil. Okay, oil breakthrough. Oil slowly going up. So oil is doing well. Okay, oil already broken through. Looks like the chart is broken through the triangle. Looks like it's on its way up. Look at CPO. Look at this palm oil. Palm oil double top. I talk about here double top. You have to be very careful. 7,192. Okay, so this one already make the double top. Okay, and it's very likely the price will drop back to here, the neckline. Why? Because there is divergence. So with double top, okay, at double top at divergence means price, the RSI making lower high, right? Probably it's going to happen the double top and it's going to go down. So if you're holding this CPO stock, okay, hit your stop loss out. And okay. So also we want to look at S&P, US market, S&P. S&P US also dropping in the downtrend slope. Look at Dow Jones. Dow Jones also dropping in the downtrend slope. So big drop on Thursday and Friday. So let's look at some US stock. Look at Apple. Okay, Apple slowly dropping. Slowly but surely it's dropping. AMD. AMD got some rebound. It retesting this 100. Probably if it cannot go through the 100, it will continue to drop. Amazon is continue to drop. Already broke below the channel. Looks like dropping faster. Look at Alibaba also on the downtrend channel. Slowly but surely it's dropping. Look at Facebook also making lower low. Already unable to break through. Okay. Looks like no good. Also looks like coming down. Google. Okay, Google trying to rebound, tested the top channel but cannot break through, no coming back down, so looks like it's on its way down also. Intel head and shoulder, broken the shoulder, so Intel also on its way down. Microsoft, okay, Microsoft head and shoulder haven't broken yet. Okay, but doesn't look good, also on its way down on the downtrend channel. Nvidia also downtrend channel, now it's testing the bottom of the channel. Okay, doesn't look good. It retested the top of this uptrend channel and it got being pushed down. So looks like coming down also. Tesla, okay, Tesla wave by wave coming down, but there's a support at 790. If it can rebound 790, maybe still got chance. But I think the peak, Tesla already reached the peak already. Slowly, you see the peak is coming down lower and lower. Look at Tesla also is coming down slowly. Okay, Twitter try to rebound. Long term is still going downtrend. Well, until we break through 59.09, it's still on a downtrend. Look at Visa. Visa is a bit sideways now. Visa is still okay, not too bad. Running sideways. Okay, on a downtrend, but temporarily the stop the bleeding is running sideways. Okay. Once we drop to here, we'll be very bad. 190. Okay, we'll be very bad. Okay, so US also doesn't look any chance that the US market doesn't look like US market going to rebound. Looking at this, all these stocks. Look at Malaysia. Okay, Malaysia consumer. Okay, consumer. I said I don't want to talk about Friday lah because you cannot sleep so consumer already tested the high one time, three time, one time. The 592, one time, second time, third time. This time force break. The price went up, came back down. So these are force break. Force break normally it will go the other way. Remember I said after force break normally the price will go the other way So probably this one coming back down Okay, so you are holding RSI also just dropped below 50 already. Also you have to be careful. You are holding a lot of these consumer stock. Consumer probably I think next week is on its way down. Plantation. Okay, Plantation price making higher high, RSI making lower high so divergence okay, probably it also looks something like a double top, but this one almost a double top slightly when it first break. So this one probably also divergence here, right? So this one also doesn't look good, probably going to go down if you are on its way down. So if you have if you're holding Plantation stock, hit your stop loss out so technology okay already rejected at this area, retest 7157 okay, already retest okay, being pushed down again. So this one also technology next week looks like continue to go down, technology sector. Look at small cap. Okay, small cap is still holding firm. Okay, still okay. Small cap is still sideways. Still okay not to say very strong. Still okay. Property. Okay, property already knocked the top here 742 already reverse starting to come down already RSI also below 50. Also looks like it's going down slowly. Healthcare also going down slowly. Okay, so the rebound here didn't work out. The rebound over here didn't work out. This one already break to 2044. Okay, for me I will let go if I buy in recently I will let go already. But I don't want. But I don't want to play healthcare bad. Industry. Okay, industry another one. Another force break. You see it went up at the top of this one. 215. Went up and cannot hold and came back down. It's a force break, so started to came down. So it went back and retest again. 215. Okay, so also coming back down. And RSI are below 50. We got divergence here. So looks like this one also going down. So all the sectors are going down next week. Okay, logistic. Logistic. Okay, logistic tested the top here 897. You cannot go through one time, two time, three time cannot. So slowly it's coming down, but this one still not too bad. Maybe sideways, maybe slightly slow, neutral to bearish. Finance. Okay, finance, another try to break another force break, went up, come back down, big bearish engulfing candle. This one probably sideways or coming back down. Probably sideways coming back down. Construction. Okay, construction really starting to make lower high. Okay, look like it's on a correction downwards also. On a correction downward, lower high. Looks like it's lower high. Starting to, I haven't made lower low, but already made lower high. Okay, looks like it's correcting down also. So all the sector looks like going down. Energy. Only energy still stable. Energy really break out, still holding here. So only possible your sector that you can play next week. A good sector that you can play is energy. Energy is still holding strong. Okay, energy is only I think the only positive sector going to next week. Telecommunication, even worse, dropping already. So also looks like it's RSI also well below 50. So all these sector, no sector positive and only one sector. Only one sector looks positive, that is energy. Only energy. Okay, only energy looks after breakout. Only energy looks possible. Still can go next week. Okay, but also almost overbought. Possible it will correct a bit, maybe go up some more, because of the Russia oil ban. Okay, so I'll talk to you again. Tomorrow we'll review the stock that we talk about the whole week lah, but not many lah, because of the holiday lah, not many. Okay. Okay, I'll see you again tomorrow. Stay safe. Bye bye.